Hi, welcome to this video day, which is all about how to master Forex trading for beginners. Now, in terms of if you want to master Forex trading, become successful, you need rules for your strategy to keep you disciplined and focused, cut those losers, obviously run your winning trades and so forth. And in terms of today's video, I'm going to focus on a book which I read recently. It said, Life Imitates Chess. It's written by one of the greatest chess players of all time, Gary Kasparov. Now, in relation to Life Imitates Chess, when you read the book, it's fantastic. It does. And this book is read by a lot of business people as well. I know a lot of Forex traders who have read it. You could rename it. Forex Imitates Chess. It really is that good. Now, what I'm going to do is go through some of the key points from the book related to Forex trading. Then I'm going to finish off with my favourite quotes from Gary Kasparov related to chess. You'll see just how much of a parallel there actually is. Now, in terms of a lot of people, when they think of chess, they think of real geniuses with high IQ. That isn't actually true, actually. I want to go through how chess players really become successful and how Forex traders do as well, okay? And go through a framework of rules that I've discussed earlier that will keep you disciplined, focused, and on the road to long-term trading success. Let's go to a storyboard and review the key points in more detail. Right, let's have a look at 10 ways that you can learn from chess. And you don't even have to know the rules of the game, but learn these 10 points and you can master Forex trading and win. Now, in terms of the first 9 points, I'm going to go through them. The 10th point is really the best quotes of Gary Kasparov, which will come up after I finish speaking, and they will elaborate on some of the key points that I'm going to go through, and also go through the mental side of winning at chess. And what you need to do mentally to win at chess, you also need to do in Forex trading. Now, in terms of point number 1, chess teaches dealing with uncertainty and responsibility. Now, most humans, not just Forex traders, do not like uncertainty, and they certainly don't like taking responsibility for their own actions. So what typically happens when you get a beginner come in the Forex market, he's come in with some set pattern or strategy which he thinks that he can apply, and he'll just win. Okay, doesn't work out that way. Okay, when he starts to lose, he'll blame the strategy. Now, in terms of Forex traders, beginners, most will blame anyone but themselves, okay, for losing. You very often hear a Forex trader, for example, say, no one could see that coming. Well, you are in a market where the unexpected happens and you're responsible. You are judged by how much money is in your account, nothing else. There's no hiding place. And keep in mind that in a lot of professions, or most professions, there is an excuse you can make for not doing well. Let's say you're a lawyer, for example, defending someone in court. The case goes against you, just so they had a weak case. I wouldn't have won anyway. Okay, can't do that in Forex. Now, dealing with uncertainty and taking responsibility is the key to success in life, really. So, if you want to succeed at Forex, you just got to accept it. Now, chess, like FX, is a simple game. Anyone can learn the rules of chess pretty quickly. Forex is simple as well. Now, does Forex have rules? It has certain basic rules, of course, which I'll come to in a moment. But in terms of simplicity, simplicity doesn't mean you have to do something rigid. You don't do that in chess, and you can't do it in Forex, okay? Now think 3 times 9 million. Now, what I mean by that is that after each chess player has made 3 moves on the board, the way the pieces can land on the 4th move, i.e. after each player has made another move, they can land up in 9 million different combinations. Now, the reason I'm saying that is because a chess player knows that no 2 games are alike. And a Forex trader who's successful knows that each individual setup is subtly different. Okay, so you can have rules, but at the end of the day, it's fluid, the Forex market, just like chess, and you have to weigh up each individual setup. Okay, it's not a game of mechanical prediction or anything like that, which a lot of people teach you about Forex. It is about looking at setups, thinking about them. You've got some rules in place, and you then decide what you're going to do. It should be pretty obvious, but it's not obvious to most beginners who come in the Forex markets, who think it's a scientific game, a set game, and it's not. Now, in terms of, chess has rules, Forex doesn't. Chess, players have to abide by the rules. They have to play the game with rules. Now, Forex doesn't have any set rules, but there are some basic rules that every beginner knows. Forex has when they come into trade, but they just disregard them. And the two most obvious are cut your losing trades and let your winners run. Most Forex traders will just let their losers run, despite the fact they know they shouldn't, and then they'll snatch their profits, okay, despite the fact they shouldn't do that either, okay. Now, in terms of, in particular, taking losses, chess forces action, okay. So in terms of a chess player, when a player makes a move, he has to respond with another move. When the market makes a move against you, okay, when you trade in FX, you don't actually have to respond. And in terms of losses, when they get out of control, that is a key mistake, obviously. So chess players have to make decisions. Forex traders can put them off, and for most Forex traders that ends in disaster. Chess is very much a game of patience. You spend a lot of time kind of waiting, but when you see a opportunity to seize the initiative, you will do so. That's what all great chess players do. And I think in terms of most Forex traders not patient enough, they want to go for trades. They want to win. They want to win quickly. They're not going to hold back. In terms of Forex, you hold back, you do nothing. You don't take trades for the sake of trades, okay? When you see a really great opportunity, you just go for it, okay? So, chess, very much a patience game, waiting. So is Forex trading. George Soros said once that Forex is essentially boring. It is. You spend a lot of time waiting around for the best opportunities. That's all you want to focus on, okay? You don't want to be, trading for the sake of trading. Chess players don't, just attack their opponent for the sake of attacking their opponent if they're not certain that that's going to give them the initiative. Same in Forex trading. Chess focuses you on the long term and teaches you control. In terms of too many Forex traders, they're focused on the short term, okay, on making money, and because they want to make money so much, they lose control. Okay, a chess player knows it's a long game. The initiative can go one way, then another. It's not instant success. A lot of Forex traders want instant success. It's not going to happen, okay? You've got to stay disciplined and controlled. When a chess player is losing the initiative, they'll be defensive, okay? When a Forex trader is trading, you lose the initiative, okay, to a degree when you start getting, let's say, a string of losses. It's under that pressure of having the losses that you have to stay very disciplined, very self-controlled, just like a chess player does. They know the game isn't over if they've lost the initiative in the short term, they know they can get it back. And I think, too many traders, let's say they've got a string of losses, their discipline and self-control totally breaks down. They'll chase after the losses, or they'll just lose their confidence. That never happens to a chess player, or a good chess player. Now, chess teaches you to focus on the opponent, not so much on you. Now, too many traders, when they come in the markets, go for what I would call obvious setups. Okay, if it's an obvious setup to you, it's probably obvious to other traders, and the obvious setups tend to fail. Okay, obvious setups are ones where everyone is talking about something in the media. If a Forex pair goes up to X, it's then going to go to Y. There's nothing that's going to stop it. Okay, chess players, go beyond the obvious. Okay, they think about what to do. Is it too obvious? Is my opponent laying a trap for me? That's what you need to do in Forex trading. Chess players, the myth they are all intelligent. When a lot of people think of chess players, they think of them all as having super IQs, being really intelligent and smart and so forth. Garry Kasparov actually says no, that just simply isn't true, and it's been proven time and time again that many chess players who've become really, really good are just of average intelligence. And I did a video once on a British chess player who was actually a down and out, and he won 30 major UK titles. Okay, now another instance in terms of chess players becoming great who weren't particularly intelligent was there was a Bulgarian guy. He taught all his daughters to play chess. He had 3 daughters. They all became grandmasters. Okay, and one of them actually beat Garry Kasparov. They weren't particularly intelligent in terms of IQ. So what actually is the secret of winning at chess? Well, the secret of winning at chess is point number 8. Chess players are good at what's called chunking data. Okay, if you want to know what chunking data is in more detail, there's a video beneath this one on the chess player who was actually a down and out who actually achieved success, where I go into chunking in more detail. But basically it comes from chunking data. What I mean by that is you see the whole board and then you know what to do, which comes from deep, deliberate practice. Okay, now it's like you'll see, for examples, maybe a footballer who just knows what to do. Same as great chess players, they just know what to do because they can chunk everything. So you can chunk everything on the board and see it as a whole. Okay, just like a footballer just knows where all the people are on the pitch and just knows what to do. It comes from deep, deliberate practice. I hope I've explained that point clearly. But watch the video beneath this one because I go into it in a lot more detail. But in terms of anything, you need practice, and it has to be deep, deliberate practice. Now, what I mean by that is chess players learn to become good, playing under the pressure in real time against an opponent. You don't learn it from a book, okay? And it's the same with Forex trading. You don't become a proficient Forex trader if you trade a demo account. Doesn't mean anything. There's no pressure. You have to trade in the market. So you've got to be prepared for this and to make mistakes, learn from them, learn to deal with the pressure of Forex trading. Now, chess players love what they do. Do you like Forex? A lot of beginners, they don't think about that question. Chess players really love the game. Great Forex traders really love Forex. But, it suits a certain type of person. It's a frustrating profession, okay? It's also, like I said, very boring. I mean, the results can be great, but the actual sort of process of forex trading is actually quite boring. Okay, you got to decide if you like it. It's not for everyone. It's not the macho sort of business that everyone, sort of not everyone, but a lot of people put it over online as being. Like, you just come in, you sit down, you trade away, and you come out with small regular profits. You hardly have any losers or anything like that. It's just not like that. Right. Now what I'm going to do is obviously do the best quotes of Gary Kasparov. I just think these quotes are really fantastic. If you want to succeed at Forex, master it, then they will help you do it. And if you want to succeed at anything in life, they're worth reading. The book is fantastic as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching me as usual. Take care and have a good day.